Okay, I got my pizza down, and now I'm going to get back to part 2 of duplicating this website. All right, so let's see what we got here. All right. And let's see, so we got through that, and then we got the enroll button. Okay, now we want maybe the business courses and forms. So we'll probably create another div. What are we going to call this one? And we want some of these we can highlight here. A little menu here. And then we got a big section here. Okay. So let's see, what should we call this? Business courses and forms. We'll do a little small div dot middle. I'm not being very creative. And then we'll do a history, business courses and forms. Okay. And then we'll do something here, a tagline, created by organizers for organizers. Okay, and then we've got a little nav menu in here in this section. So let's type nav. Okay, and we got a, and we'll not worry about linking these just yet. So this is all a tab, business forms and templates. So again, these are not linking anywhere. Okay. A tab, not linking it. Featured courses. Okay, let's see how far we can get by 7 o'clock. And then A and tab. Nope, I didn't want that slide. A and tab. And then how to organize. Okay. And tab. Professional organizer training. Okay. Alright, so we got that menu and that div. Alright, so let's move down here, and then we got all of these. So we're going to call this, what do I call that? The middle. Yeah, that was pretty unoriginal. We'll go middle top. Look at that. Look at how I go. Middle dash top. All right, and here we're going to have the middle because this is like the true middle. And then we're going to have, this will be middle 1. Okay, and then within the middle 1, we're going to have these 4. So we have dot left. Okay, hit a tab. We're going to do a class for that. Probably do dot left dash mid tab. Got that. Dot right dash mid tab. That one. And actually, you know what? We can probably name these all the same. So, what do we want to call this? We want to call this course. Dot course. Oh, dot course. Okay, and you're going to just copy this 4 times. Oops. Weird. Probably do it again. Yeah, let's do it again. Okay, so we got those. Okay, and within those, we're going to have each of these images. So I'm going to have to snip these very well. So I'll save this as picture 1. Now we'll call this orders. Okay. Another one. Okay, we'll save that as virtual. Okay. Save this one as pitfalls. Okay. Save this one as forms. Okay. All right, we have this red button here. Okay, so move here. I'm going to type IMG, hit tab. No. IMG tab. Okay, and then within here, we've got the hoarders. We'll type working with hoarders. That's my alt tag. Okay, in here, IMG tab. Okay, and this is virtual. We'll say virtual organizing here. Okay, here, type IMG tab. Okay, this is pitfalls. Pitfalls to avoid as an organizer. Okay, and then IMG tab here, and then what was the last one? Forms. Forms for organizers. Okay, and then hit Control Save. All right, and so we've got that. Then under near, we have to have a little paragraph and a button. I'm going to copy and paste that. Okay, and a button, and in the button, we have just a read more. Okay. Okay. All right, copy that. Another button. Again, read more. Okay. Okay. We need some headings too. Almost forgot those. Have to slap those in there. Okay, and then down here. Okay, let's move this over a little bit. Button. Okay, and also read more. Okay, like I said, we also have to have a header, so that's probably a H3 header. Okay, working with hoarders. So copy and paste that. Another H3 header here. Okay, virtual organizing. Okay, do that. Another H3 header. Tab. Do that. And then another H3 header. Or H3, not, I don't know why I'm saying header. H3 heading. Okay, and then hit tab. Okay. Or Control V, rather, to paste that stuff in there. All right, so we're moving along there. We're getting some nice code for this page. I'm going to save it. Okay, and then under that, we've got another. Nope. We got another middle. We'll do middle 2. Okay, anyways, and then we'll do, of course, do 4 more of those. Okay. All right, and we need to copy and paste these images here. So let's do a new one. Alright, we'll save this as project plan. Okay, another one. We'll save this as marketing. Okay, another one. We'll save it as degree program. Okay, and then another one. Something about paper retention. All right. Save it as paper dash retention. Okay. All right. And okay. All right. So IMG tab, IMG. Oh, what's the first one? Project plan. So project plan. Let's say developing a project plan for organizers. Okay. All right. This next one is IMG/marketing. Marketing your organizing skills. Okay. Okay, the next one is degree program. Okay. And online organizing degree program. You always want to put your alt tags in, that's good for SEO. And then paper retention. There we go. What's the name of that? Paper retention guidelines. I don't know why I'm copying this. Okay. Control save. Okay. Now we need H3 header. Okay, and we're going to say project plan template. Okay, H3 header here. All right, and paste that in. Another one here. Okay, paste that one in. One here. Paste that one in. Okay. And then we'll do paragraph. So P and tab and that. Okay, another paragraph here, P and tab, and that. Another paragraph here, P and tab. Copy it. Hit that. And then another P and tab. Okay. And that. Okay, and each one of these needs a button. It says read more. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this. Okay. Okay. All right, move this back here. And then we'll have a div called middle 3. Okay, and then here we're going to have another button that's going to be saying load more. Okay, and we should have a link tag with that. Okay, and actually the button, hold on. We don't want to do that. We're going to have a tab. We're not going to make it go anywhere. Then the button tab, and then load more. Okay, so the button will be a link. Okay. All right. So I'll go down there, and then we have the organizing business blog. We have a whole bunch of junk here. All right, so the organizing, whole bunch of nice stuff. Organizing business blog is our next section. So our next section will be .blog. Okay, and then we're going to have an H2 header, organizing business blog. Okay, and then within that, then we'll have three. So we'll have dot left one. Probably shouldn't use left one, but whatever. We got to have these images here. So we've got to have a dot image, dot left dash image. Let's do that. Okay, and then there's going to be an image. It needs snipping tool again. It'd be nice to actually have these photos. Let's do it. All right. We'll save this as social media. Okay. Save this as policies and procedures. Okay. What I can do, I'll crop that out. A little bit. Trying to clip this just about right. Okay. And contractor employee. So save it. Okay. All right. All right. That's not. Let me copy this nicely. All right. So on that part, all right. So we want to have an image here, and this is going to be image social media. Using social media in your organizing business. Okay. And then we'll have a dot right excerpt, because that's what that part is. And we have, let's say, call it H4 heading. Whoops, I didn't want to do that. Actually. So we're going to say, what is this? Mastering Social Media Series Part 1. There's colons, why use social media? Okay. And then after that, a paragraph and a tag, and now we have to have a date. So let's call it a caption. No. Let's do a paragraph with a date. And then we're just getting the look and feel of it. Okay, and then so that's left one. We're going to do a dot. I gotta get better with my names. Middle. All right. All right, and then we have dot left image class, and then the image source is going to be from what's next? Policies and procedures. I'm going to say policies and procedures for organizers. Okay. Dot right excerpt. Okay, we're going to have our H4 heading. Organizing policies and procedures. Okay, and then paragraph after that. And this is actually an excerpt. Okay. All right. And then something for the date. Okay. Let's add a class for that. Let's do class equals date in case we need to do anything with that in the CSS later on. Save it. And then we had left one. Let's go right one. Okay. And then we gotta do the image. Okay. What am I looking for? Contractor and employee. Okay, that's going to be the difference between a contractor and an employee. Okay, and then, okay, paragraph, an actual excerpt here. Okay, copy that in. Okay, and then we want the C, so go to p.date. Yep, that'll give me it, and then type that in. Okay, so I did p.date and then tab, and Emmett let me put that in right away. Fast, easy. Okay. All right, and then we got something below it. So this is a different section, read our organizing business blog. So we're going to have to go out of there, out of the blog class, and we'll go to, I'm going to call it .blog sub, which means below it, and then do a button. Probably a tag. We're not going to have probably a link. We're not going to have it go anywhere. And then button, and then read our organizing business blog. Okay, and actually we could have that go to blog.html because that's what we made it earlier. Okay, so that's that section, and then now we're going to have our social feed. So we'll do .social feed feed. Oops. All right, and then within there, how am I going to do this? Okay. We'll do, what class we have? .left2. Left2. I need to get better with my naming. Roll. Middle. Oh, okay. 3. Those are courses. Courses were all the same. So, all right. Nope. You know what I'm going to do in here? I'm going to do a .social feed narrow. Hit tab. Okay. Within that, each one of these is going to be social feed image. So we're going to have 3 of those per each one. So. Okay, now we have to get some pictures. This is going to be a little difficult because I'm not going to be able to take the entire picture. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change it a little bit. What do we call this? DIY dash home staging. Okay. We call this one Organizing Boston. Boston Social. Okay, and then on here. And we'll call this Target. Now, I'm not clipping these 100% well, but we're doing this as fast as we can. So, all right. So up here, image tab, and what was the first one? What was it called? DIY. Home staging. Social feed on do-it-yourself home staging. Okay. IMG tab, and then this was Organizing Boston. We'll just type this as Organizing Boston's social feed. Okay, and then IMG tab, and then the last one was Target. I don't know, something like going to Target. That's probably not a good one, but whatever. All right, and then we're gonna have another social feed narrow, the bottom part, and then a social feed image. Tab. Oops, no, I got to do dot. Sorry. Tab. Let's just copy and paste those. Okay. Okay, and then we'll paste them. Okay, and then we need to get 3 more images. Okay, so try and make these roughly the same, but all right. I'll say this home organizing boot. Yeah. Save that one, or a new one. Training courses, organizer training courses. We'll save that as organizer okay, save. This one we'll save as become a minimalist. We'll just call it minimalist. Okay, all right, and then probably want to make these links actually. So probably want to wrap these in a tag that goes nowhere, and so I'm gonna hit Control X, V, wrap those in a tag, and an anchor tag is what it is. Tab. We're working on, right now we're having these go nowhere, but maybe we'll make this site fully workable. Okay, and wrap that in the tag. Okay, and we're at 7:08, so we went past a little bit of time. I'm going to finish up the HTML markup on this though, and then we'll worry about the CSS in a moment. So, all right, so these we want this to go nowhere. Okay, the first one, what is it? Bootcamp. Okay, okay. Now we'll wrap this one in the tag, anchor tag, and okay, and that's organizer training courses. Okay. Tag anchor rep and an anchor tag. Okay, and this one is minimalist. Oops. We'll pull it up. There we go. Become a minimalist. Okay. All right. And now outside of the narrow, we want to have a button to show more. And actually, might want to wrap this in a div. We'll call this social media button. Okay, because we might want to do some flex for my CSS for that. Back. Okay. All right. Okay. Holy moly, there's a lot of stuff. All right. Okay. So don't forget to like us on Facebook. We're going to call this top footer. Oops. Right here. All right. So we have. Don't forget to like us on Facebook. Okay. Okay. We're gonna save. Sorry, we're gonna save that as Facebook link. Okay. All right. So after that, an image, Facebook like, which is just gonna be like us on Facebook. Okay. Oops. After that, we have another header. Get free stuff. Join our newsletter. Okay, we probably run a couple of line breaks between there, so it'll be our. And then we have a paragraph. No, 3 paragraphs rather. So. Another paragraph. Okay. I'm not going to worry about the link right now. Okay. And another paragraph. Okay. Okay. And then we go breaks. And a button. And join our newsletter list. Okay. And then jeez. Okay. I like the stop footer. Okay. And then, well, we'll call this upper footer. The upper footer is actually below. Okay, so then we have H1. No, maybe not H1. We'll do a H2 header. Contact us today. Okay, and then below that we have a paragraph. And then we got this. And we got that. Okay, and then, then on the bottom, Actually, you know what? Yeah, you can do a nav. Okay, and then we've got this, which is just going to be, it goes nowhere. Okay, then we're going to have these all go, well, you can have this one go home. Okay, so making that menu on the bottom. I'm not going to send it anywhere for organizer training just yet. Okay. Organizer business blog. I think we have those, but I don't forget what they were. I mean, we haven't made any of those pages. This is the blog one. Okay. I can actually do, we haven't done this blog.html, so it's going to go nowhere. But okay, and then a tab and free stuff. And then we gotta design maybe the up arrow. So we want to go up. We're going to go up to the header. So let me see if I can. That should be a class. Okay. And then we're going to find the up arrow HTML. Okay. Up arrow. Okay. And we'll put that here. And then the class, we want a class equal to arrow. Okay, because I'm going to have to play with that a little bit. So I'm going to hit Control Save. And we got that page. Okay. So now bring all this stuff down. And I'm going to show you. Guess what? We have no CSS. So it's not going to look so good right now. But we're going to show you, to conclude this video, we'll show you what it looks like without the CSS. Okay. So no CSS. You can see everything is to the left, but it's off to a good start. It will look a lot better once we add CSS, but that will be the next video. Okay, so anyways, thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for the next video on duplicating this using the CSS. All right, have a good night. Bye.